Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually play the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes friends, right now I'm trying to play the 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2 exactly, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate exactly the step-by-step process. So don't try to skip the video friends, try to watch the video entire. You'll be able to understand exactly how you can actually play it 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2 smartphone. You can clearly see here which is working really good regarding the 90 FPS, so not much problem as well. I'll try to explain you in this video exactly. So for that you need to download the two applications which are available in the Play Store. Two applications you need to download. So first is the Set Edit application and next is the GFX tool. And this is exactly the GFX tool which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration, and these are the settings which I'll try to show you. I did not change much settings only in this application, nothing at all. So only the settings have changed from 60 FPS default to the 90 FPS. There's only one settings which I changed, and select the BGMI and click apply. That's it. So everything will be done from the GFX tool application. Next, what we need to do is that you need to download the Set Edit application. So once you download the Set Edit application, try to scroll down and go to the peak refresh rate option. So which is present right now, the peak refresh rate, and from 120 change the value to 1 value. Okay, from 120 change the value to 1. Don't change any value, only change peak refresh rate. That's it. So this is a step 2, and the step 3 will be the final task, which will be enabling the GT mode. So this complete only works if you try to enable the GT mode, the 90 FPS. Otherwise it doesn't work while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game. You need to always remember that. So only in this way you'll be able to get the 90 FPS working in the Realme GT Neo 2 without any kind of issues. As you can see friends, right now it's working 90 FPS. This is the classic match which I'm trying to play exactly right now, and you can see the FPS how much it's kind of dropping or not exactly right now. I'll do the normal team net match as well. So in this way we'll be able to play at 90 FPS friends without any issues in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So which a lot of users are actually waiting. That's the reason I thought of uploading, and this trick will work 100%. Try to follow step-by-step process. GFX tool, or maybe you can use Set Edit application first. First, Set Edit application, change the value. Second, use the GFX tool application to change the FPS to 90. And third, enable the GT mode. Only in the GT mode this will work. In the normal mode it doesn't work. Always remember. This is one small important thing. And if you don't follow any of the steps, you cannot get this working. Definitely friends, if you don't follow any steps, you need to follow all the steps. You should not skip it. All in this way you will be able to get exactly 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Right now as you can see it's working really good regarding 90 FPS, not bad overall. So in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below friends regarding the Realme GT Neo 2 or any other smartphones. I'll be definitely able to help you out with your queries regarding the Realme GT Neo 2. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. A state of more updates. In case other smartphones also, I'll try to do the testing as soon as possible as well. Testing with other smartphones whether 90 FPS is working or not. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and this is a quick explanation how to play at 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2, and which works 100% perfect without any kind of problem, because live proof you can see here clearly which is working perfectly for me without any kind of problem. So you should also not have any kind of issues. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and bye.